spoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby.
She just let me know, but they show no fish. Didn't say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Didn't say you found it, but she doesn't.
Hey y'all, so me and Lala just got out of school and we're going to change because we're gonna go to the beach and then we gonna eat ice cream. I'm so excited. Y'all just stay tuned. Go subscribe to Aaliyah Nicole. We're gonna be doing a Q&A on there with me and her. People ask us questions, so y'all go follow that and watch the video and do what y'all gotta do. So yeah. Hey y'all, so we got our editors on under our clothes, but yeah, y'all, we just got changed. We're finna go get food because we're hungry. We're gonna go get food and then we're gonna go to the beach and yeah. So see y'all there. Okay, y'all. So we at Wendy's. We went through the drive-thru. We got our food. We got lemonade. I'm sorry, I'm just hyped because I'm ready to eat. And we finna do a Q&A on Lala's channel, so y'all go watch that. We're finna eat, so I'm gonna vlog a little bit. While we're doing this. And then, yeah, y'all gonna see us when we go to the beach. But we're gonna eat, do the Q&A, and then, yeah.
Like, the elephant in this room, why did we go to another school?
You wanna go first?
Yeah.
Okay, go first.
Basically, we went to another school because we just felt like it was time for a change.
Like, they pick and chose who they really help and care about. For at our new school, we get help. They tell us what we need, what we don't need. Like, it's just better. Like, I feel like we just, like you said, we needed a change, and that's what we got.
Now, the next question is, the other elephant in the room, do we live together? How long have we been friends?
So, update y'all. We finished the Q&A for Lala's channel. Like I said, if y'all want to see it, go watch her video. Aaliyah Nicole. I'm going to put it right here on the screen, as a matter of fact, so y'all can go watch it. I recorded a little bit of it, so I can put it in here. We should do another one with Soda and tell them to ask us like spicier questions, like, so we get personal.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see though, because I don't want to start no problems with nobody. And I don't need no rumors. But yeah. She's done. Are you done?
Yep.
Yeah,
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm hungry too. I have like 2 chicken tenders, nuggets left, but I eat slow. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna finish eating while she drives. We at the store, y'all. My phone is dying, so we're getting a charger. And we gotta put gas. Can I get an iPhone charger?
Is it cable?
Yeah. Got my charger. Yeah, we're going on 95.
Have a choice.
We're going on 95, guys. And now Lala never drove on 95. I've been on 95 like over freaking 20 times, so like, we're good. She's already nervous and she already got to pee.
I'm not that nervous.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
I'm a race car driver for her. Like, I do this. Like, this is what I do.
I trust her with my life. Like, I hope I can. I'm just playing. I trust her. I trust her because she can drive. But like, okay, y'all, she's driving 95 for the first time.
What is merge?
Get on this side when you can. Speed up more and just cut in front of this drag truck. There you go. There you go.
Straight.
We made it safe. We're at the light. We're at the exit. We made it safe. She did good. Traffic wasn't bad today in 95. Yo, we made it to the beach. And there's literally an ice cream shop over there. Probably later though. We're at the beach, y'all.
Get together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together.
We just got done taking pictures. Don't know how to post them because, but they were cute. Look at my friend. It's so peaceful out here.
It is. We're going back to the car. Just put our stuff up, get in the water, enjoy life, and then go get some ice cream.
We're gonna come back though when we get ice cream.
So see y'all later.
Wait, what time does it close? Hopefully it don't close.
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Y'all, we're gonna get ice cream instead of waiting because we don't know what time it closes. So after ice cream, that's when we're gonna enjoy the beach.
I won't be around while you chase.
So they don't take cash. They don't take cash. So now we're going back to the car because we only have our card with cash in it. I have some cash in my wallet, so we're gonna go get that. Weirdest thing just happened to us. I was putting on sunscreen, y'all. Sunscreen,
By
right?
my car because we had to go get the cash.
And a man was parked next to us. He came up to his car that was next to us, and he's like, "Oh, what'd he say?"
He was like, y'all want to take a ride in my car? You can take a ride in my car. And his old lady was just over there kicking her heart.
Yeah. And I'm like, no. And then I don't know what else he said. I don't know what else he said, but Lala said y'all can take off y'all tops.
Yeah, he was like, y'all can take y'all tops off. Y'all can take the No. We just left.
Yeah, because I was putting on sunscreen, but I got this sunscreen and left. I said, let's go.
Yeah. And got the cash and we left because that was so weird. Thank God that he's leaving because
Yeah, because that's a fucking pedophile.
so weird. His wife.
Literally, and she was agreeing and shit like.
Don't know what type of sex trafficking they on, but we not with it.
Yeah, we immediately left.
Like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin.
Yes, I did.
Thank you, Lala. Can you get the? So yeah, we got our ice cream. It was $13 for both. It's fine. It's worth it because these ice creams are so good. What you got?
More words.
I got caramel ripple. We finna put our stuff up and then go eat at the beach, probably finish our ice cream and get in the water and enjoy the rest of our day here. Yeah, we finna go to the bar and get weed.
Gonna get drunk, not just mad. Get water.
Yeah, cause we thirst. Your girls are thirsty.
Because my lemonade from Wendy's tastes like beer. It was so
Literally.
nasty.
Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just let it oh yeah.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
Y'all,
Oh, we're dying. Today was good. Today we had a good day.
successful day.
Yes.
We're leaving the beach and we got our drink. Because it is a school day. Yes, we're doing this on a school day.
Finally, we just decided, we want to go to the beach.
Yes,
That's on
like,
Wednesday.
right, like, that's just what we do now. So, guys, we're back in the car.
But let me tell you, I like you a lot of fake. I wanna start it, I've been out of it. Now you want to shoot with it, out of it. You know I like when you right at the top. Shoot shit, ain't it? Yo, I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high ride.
I don't know about y'all, but I love ice.
Oh, but I love mango.
I love mangoes too.
Eat mangoes today.
Y'all, Lala probably tired of hearing my chewing. This loud ice.
Publix is on the same side. It's on the opposite side of the block. So it's going towards Go there. Right here.
Going to Publix. We're going back home. I love how my camera looks. Like, look at this.
Your camera do look good.
We're at Publix. We are getting some mango. Because we love mango. Who don't love mango? Who don't? If you don't like mango, then what you doing?
What are you doing? Like, who raised you?
Right.
You
Yo,
word.
I literally have, I'm naked, like. We got 2 mangoes, y'all. I had to call my grandma and ask her, like, because my grandma know about fruits and stuff. Yeah, my grandma said make sure it's like more orange. So
Hers have red in it, mine don't. But I think it's good. It got a good result though.
we're just gonna hope for the best. Okay, y'all. So that's the end of the vlog today. I look a mess. We look a mess. But it's because, you know, we had a very fun, long day. But we're going to take a shower. We're going to eat mangoes. And we're going to edit. And we're going to lay down and relax, finally. Yeah, y'all. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed this one.
See you later.
See y'all. Bye.
I just wanna melt into you.